everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. Today I'm gonna open this Macy box. I ordered a blender. I gotta get back on my alkaline diet, so this blender that's inside here is gonna help me out because I want to start doing smoothies and all that good stuff, and I gave away my old blender. So let's open this bad boy up and see what I purchased. Okay, I got my trusty little knife. I'm never good with my list. Okay, sorry for all the noise. This is really weird. Did I cut this box? Okay, so I purchased the Ninja Professional Blender 1000. Can y'all see that? It's supposed to blash ice into snow in seconds, crush whole fruits, vegetables, and ice into delicious drinks, blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies. Blast, crush, and blend. Let's see. Total Crushing Technology. Total Crushing Technology delivers unbeatable professional power with blades that pulverize and crush ice, whole fruits, vegetables in seconds. So we already basically read that. It has a lock-in lid, built-in pour spout, extra large pitcher, 72 ounce, BPA free, total crushing blades, 100-watt motor, easy to clean control panel, cord storage box, 30 non-slip base. If you hear running, that's my son running around like a crazy person. So I was reading this on the side, and I know my ring light is making a ring on the box. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this up. Let's see. So obviously this is the guide of what's inside the box. Put that to the side. This is the top, ooh, with a spout. I don't know if you can see that. You want to get in?
Yeah.
So this is where you pour. RJ saying hi, guys.
Hi.
Let's see. There's the styrofoam. Go put that in recycling. Here's the actual, what is it called? The pitcher. I could not think of that word. Okay, so I already took out another styrofoam. Here's more plastic. And then, of course, this is the big base. So it has the power, pulse, low, medium, and high, like every blender I've ever had. I've never tried this. I didn't read any reviews or anything. So this will be my first time. And of course, everybody acts like Ninja is the best blender ever. So we will definitely see. I don't know if tomorrow, if I have a chance to actually blend something. Can you go put that up? So now Iron Man is with me.
Iron Man.
Iron Man. And of course, this was wrapped around the pitcher to make sure a child doesn't put his or her hands in here because there's triple blades inside. So we do not play with this, correct? Yeah. This is for adults only. You see those blades? You could cut your hand. Those are some sharp blades. Jesus. Okay. So it says, because there's a little arrow right here. So why does this say push? Oh, you push this to release. Right? Push, release, and lift up says release. I feel crazy. It says release on it. So number 1, you flip this up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what did I do? No! Okay, I don't know what I just did.
That was funny. Put that in the deleted scenes.
I probably will.
There's also deleted scenes in this video.
How do I clip? Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to read the directions, but I know it says you lift this up, push the release, and lift the handle. Oh, I was supposed to.
These are watching.
And then it shows this arrow needs to align with this arrow. I don't know if you can see it right here. So they're supposed to go together. Oh, okay. So it folded back down when I popped this lid on here. So number 3, well, number 2 was you align these arrows. Number 3, lower the handle and click it into place just like I did. We learned something. Oh, so this is just like my food processor. So you turn it to unlock and turn it to lock. I'm scared. Unlock, lift it up, place it down, turn it to lock it. That is very cool.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up at the end
Yeah,
of this video.
give us a thumbs up at the end of this video because I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, I mean, I bought the blender to blend some stuff. There's recipes in here.
That is so cool.
But of course, when I go back to being alkaline, I can probably tweak some of these recipes. Let's see.
My name is Robot RJ.
You look cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is very nice.
Ooh, there's a butternut squash soup. So that would be good. I could probably use that. Roasted garlic and Roma tomato soup.
That looks so
Can't
cool.
use the garlic. Broccoli cheddar soup. Can't do that. Classic marinara sauce. Possibly. Could use that recipe. Basil pesto. I could do everything except the Parmesan and the garlic. Buttermilk ranch dressing. Frozen strawberries and stuff. Anyway, that's basically it.
Yep, indeed.
I mean, because I can show you guys what I'm going to do in another video with this blender. Today was just unboxing it. And I mean, to me, blenders are simple. You just pulse or put low, medium, or high.
That easy.
So, yeah, that's pretty easy. But I'm not going to use it tonight. I'll use it probably tomorrow or the next day, and I will definitely record. So, what do we always say at the end of our videos?
Please
Like,
comment,
and subscribe.
See you later.
See you later. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified for our next video. And put your Iron Man hand up and say goodbye.
Goodbye.